Here with Roy, Search of the Flats. Say hi.
Hi.
What's going on? Captain Pat, the master fisherman, taking us around.